In this exercise, we shall deal with the problems which will involve area of a triangle whose coordinates of 3 vertices are given. That is, we shall find out area of a triangle in terms of coordinates of 3 vertices of the triangle. Let x1 y1, x2 y2 and x3 y3 be the coordinates of 3 vertices of triangle ABC. Here x1 y1, x2 y2 and x3 y3 are the coordinates of 3 vertices of triangle ABC, and we have to find area of triangle ABC in terms of 3 coordinates x1 y1, x2 y2, x3 y3. If x1 y1, x2 y2 and x3 y3 are the coordinates of three vertices of triangle ABC, then area of triangle ABC is equal to half into x1 into y2 minus y3 plus x2 into y3 minus y1 plus x3 y1 minus y2. This is the formula for area of triangle ABC whose coordinates of 3 vertices are x1 y1, x2 y2 and x3 y3. The area of triangle ABC is the numerical value of this expression. Sometimes you may get value of this expression positive and sometimes you may get negative. In case you find value of this expression negative, then negative sign will be rejected because area of a triangle cannot be negative. So, to remove this problem when its value is positive and sometimes it comes out to be negative, this formula can also be written in this form: area of triangle ABC is equal to half into mod x1 into y2 minus y3 plus x2 into y3 minus y1 plus x3 into y1 minus y2. This mod sign will always give you positive value of this expression because mod is defined like this: mod of x is equal to minus x if x is negative, mod of x equal to 0 if x is equal to 0, and mod of x is equal to x if x is greater than 0, that is positive. For example, mod of minus 5 is minus of minus 5 equal to plus 5, and mod of 0 is equal to 0, and mod of plus 5 is equal to 5. So, this way mod of a real number is defined, and because of this mod you will get always positive value of this expression. Anyway, area of a triangle will be always positive. In case you find value of this expression, you will remember that negative sign is to be rejected, because area of a triangle cannot be negative. Now see, in triangle ABC, if this vertex A comes at a point on the side BC, then area of this triangle becomes 0, and 3 points A, B and C becomes collinear. If this point A lies here on the side BC, then area of the triangle becomes 0, and 3 points A, B and C with coordinates x1, y1, x2, y2 and x3, y3 becomes collinear. So 3 points x1, y1, x2, y2 and x3, y3 are collinear if and only if area of triangle ABC becomes 0. Area of triangle means the triangle formed by joining 3 points x1, y1, x2, y2 and x3, y3 is equal to 0. Then these 3 given points becomes collinear. So area of triangle ABC is equal to 0 means half into x1 into y2 minus y3 plus x2 into y3 minus y1 plus x3 into y1 minus y2 is equal to 0. This 1 by 2 half is a constant number, so this implies x1 into y2 minus y3 plus x2 into y3 minus y1 plus x3 into y1 minus y2 equal to 0. And this is the condition for 3 points x1, y1, x2, y2 and x3, y3 to be collinear. So when 3 points x1, y1, x2, y2, x3, y3 will be collinear if area of the triangle formed by joining 3 points is equal to 0, and area of triangle formed by joining 3 points will be 0 if this expression is equal to 0. x1 into y2 minus y3 plus x2 into y3 minus y1 plus x3 into y1 minus y2 is equal to 0. So for any 3 points x1, y1, x2, y2 and x3, y3 to be collinear, this condition is to be satisfied. So this is the necessary and sufficient condition for 3 points x1, y1, x2, y2 and x3, y3 to be collinear. Now question number 1. Find the area of a triangle whose vertices are 2, 3, minus 1, 0, 2, minus 4 and second part is minus 5, minus 1, 3, minus 5 and 5, 2. So in this question we are given the coordinates of 3 vertices of a triangle. and we have to find out area of the triangle. So let the three vertices be like this: 2, 3, minus 1, 0, and 2, minus 4, points A, B and C. So three vertices of triangle whose coordinates are given are A, B and C. First vertex is A, 2, 3, so let it be x1, y1. Second vertex is B, minus 1, 0, so let it be x2, y2. And third vertex of the triangle is C, 2, minus 4, so let us write it x3 minus y3. So area of triangle ABC is equal to half into x1 into y2 minus y3 plus x2 into y3 minus y1 plus x3 into y1 minus y2. Let us put the values of x1, y1, x2, y2 and x3, y3 in this formula. So half into x1 2 into y2 minus y3, 0 minus 4, so 0 plus 4 plus x2 is minus 1 into y3 minus y1, so minus 4 minus 3 plus x3 is 2 into y1 minus y2, 3 minus 0. So this is half into 2 into 4, 8 plus minus 7 into minus 1, 7 plus 2 into 3, 6. This is equal to 1 by 2 into 21. So 21 by 2 square units is area of this triangle whose three vertices are 2, 3, minus 1, 0 and 2, minus 4. Now second part. Let the coordinates of three vertices in this part be A minus 5, minus 1, B 3, minus 5 and C 5, 2. Three vertices of the triangle. So therefore area of triangle ABC is equal to half into x1 into y2 minus y3 plus x2 into y3 minus y1 plus x3 into y1 minus y2. Put the values of x1, y1, x2, y2 and x3, y3 in this expression. So half into x1 minus 5 into y2 minus y3 minus 5 minus 2 plus x2 is 3 So 3 into y3 minus y1. 2 minus minus 1 plus 1 plus x3 is 5 into y1 minus y2. Minus 1 minus minus 5. So minus 1 plus 5. This is equal to half into minus 5 into minus 7 plus 3 into 3 plus 5 into minus 1 plus 5, 4. So half into minus 5 into minus 7 plus 35 plus 3 into 3, 9 plus 5 into 4, 20. So equal to half into 64 equal to 32 square units is area of the triangle whose vertices are minus 5, minus 1, 3, minus 5 and 5, 2.